How you like your new rain boots? Let's see you walk in them. Come over here. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Just got her new rain boots. What's on them? Those cute little owls? Popping out eyeballs. I think they fit her better than the other ones. You can walk in the rain and the mud. Huh. What's that, the box? You like the box too? Alright. They're pretty cool. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Can you wave? Wave bye-bye. You're kissing the box? Do it again. Give a kiss. You're crazy. Alright. Bye. 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 You're so fun. I just got a video forever.